How to make a travel intro animation using Canva. Click on Photo and type Beach. Add an image to the canvas. Click on More, then set the image as the background. Click on Text and add a heading. Type your text. Change the font to Horizon and the size 400 pixels. Adjust its position. Now add the lift text effect. Go to Elements and type Bus. Click on Filter and check Animated. Go to Graphics and add a bus animation. Click on Position, then to Front. Next, click on Flip, then Flip Horizontal. Now adjust its size and position. Go to Elements. Add a square shape. Place it behind the bus. Make a duplicate and cover the entire canvas. Place it in front of the bus. Change its color to red. Make the first square transparent. Select all elements and group them. Now hold the Shift key and move this group to the left. Duplicate the page. Now move this group to the right side of the canvas. Go to the first page. Click on Text and add a text. Type your text. Go to Effect. Change its color to light red. Change the font size to 300 pixels. Duplicate the text and change it. Now, select both texts. Click on More, then Show Timing. Adjust the timing to 1 second sequentially. Click on Transitions and add the Match and Move transition. Set the duration to maximum. Select both texts. And add the baseline animation. Your design is ready. Let's check it out. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.